the FBI has apparently received more than 7,000 leads and tips from members of the public so far. In the last few hours, they've released new video footage showing a person wearing a hat, sunglasses, and long sleeve black shirt running across a roof, climbing off the edge of the building and dropping to the ground. They say the suspect is believed to have fled into the local neighborhood after firing that one shot that killed Charlie Kirk. Notably, the scene that plays out in that video, the investigation says this suspect left a palm print, a shoe impression, and so there is some potential evidence there that they can collect, and the FBI is offering up to $100,000 for information leading to the identification of this person. We're all looking at pictures of the suspect, but his motive, who he is, and where he is right now still all remain a mystery.